Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Talking metals, talk about gold. Gold was actually up over 1.5% on the highs today, getting as high as 1230 on the December contract. We ended up pulling back toward that 1208 level, just below 1208 near the close. That is the largest one-day rally we've seen since March 22nd. To be exact, that was a full 13 points higher today when we got near those highs, having started below 1200 on the precious metal. But again, the strong rally today now puts us up 2 of the last 3 days in gold. The main reason over the last couple of days has been the issue with the Italian budget and the budget deficit target. Italian authorities are not bending at all on this budget deficit miss, and that's by EU standards. The EU expects all of their member states, and certainly more so for the larger states, would be Germany, France, and Italy specifically, to meet those budget deficit targets, which is 2% or less of GDP. Italy's put forth 2.4%, and they're not bending at all. They actually had the Deputy Prime Minister say that they're not budging even a millimeter on this particular target. The EU is not happy about that. Some EU authorities commented that they could be headed for a Greece-like crisis, and really that's the last time we got a strong, sustained rally in gold was during different throes of that Greek crisis. We're seeing a sell-off in the euro as well. We are, however, seeing a stronger dollar, which is interesting because it shows this is a flight to quality bid that we're seeing in gold, or a flight to safety, because the dollar's rallying along with it. Generally, they have an inverse relationship. Doesn't really matter which one of the two is driving it, but with gold running the way it is and the euro falling and the dollar rallying, that shows you that it is mostly related to the situation with the pressure on the Italian bonds and on the Italian government with this budget deficit miss. This is Bob Iaccino talking about a strong gold contract from the CME Group trading floor here in Chicago.